Beautiful teeth for a perfect smile. Teeth straightening can now be accomplished through a variety of cosmetic dental techniques. Gone are the days of wearing unsightly braces all through school to achieve the perfect smile later in life. There are many different types of braces that are relatively new to the market and other orthodontic processes that do not involve braces at all. Lingual braces are similar to the traditional wire braces that we all remember, but the difference is that they are fitted to the back of your teeth and so no one can see that you are wearing them. The downside is that as with traditional braces they can be uncomfortable and difficult to get used to. Furthermore, some advanced systems work to much the same aim, achieving the perfect smile without having to use unsightly wire. Using an arrangement of clear aligners similar to transparent gum shields, teeth are gradually moved into their new position. The aligners do need to be changed every 2 weeks. But unlike traditional braces, wearers are able to remove them to clean their teeth and eat. There are many new treatments that use enamel colored brackets and nickel wire in combination to treat teeth. Ready for bright smile. This system focuses on the principle of moving the teeth that you see when you smile. Instead of focusing on your bite and subsequently moving all of the teeth, which traditional braces have always done. Some experts prefer the technique that uses the nickel wire to manipulate the teeth into the desired position whilst the enamel-colored brackets protect the teeth. Treatments that would previously take up 2 years are now completed in as little as 6 months with this treatment, and certainly you can then perfect a smile. If you have not got the patience to wear braces even for as little as 6 months, you can try porcelain veneers. They will not align your teeth, but they just give the impression of a perfect smile. As long as your teeth are not too wonky to begin with, the veneers can be fitted over the surface of your own teeth to give the appearance of straight teeth. This process is often seen as an instant fix because perfect teeth and a perfect smile can be created in one session with your dentist, as opposed to other processes which can need many appointments over a couple of years. Additionally, veneers have the added benefits that they can also improve the overall look and color of your teeth with no chemicals or dentist drills. However, in order to attach veneers to your teeth, your dentist does have to remove a small layer of your tooth's natural veneer to fix them on. You should be aware, however, that veneers do not last forever, leaving you with a less than perfect smile until you repeat the whole process.